Hey,
What's up, guys? I hope you're doing well. Today, as you could tell, we are making tacos. Underneath all of that spinach and tomatoes, we are actually making chickpea tacos. So, to start, we are going to put 1 can of chickpeas, drained, yeah, just in a bowl. And to that, we are going to add about 2 heaping tablespoons of cornstarch. Just a disclaimer, this recipe is basically all eyeballed for me. I don't think I ever measured. It's just kind of like a go with your gut type thing. So, to the cornstarch, we are going to add a little bit of garlic powder. When I say a little bit, I probably mean like a teaspoon to a teaspoon and a half. It's really up to you. If you want a more garlicky taste, go for it. So it should look just like that after you mix it all up. And yeah, cool. Now we're just going to set that to the side. Now, let me introduce you to my best friend here. This is a cast iron pan, and to that pan, we are going to add enough oil to completely cover the bottom. We're not like deep frying, we're just kind of pan frying the chickpeas. So now we're going to take our cast iron pan and we're going to put it on a fire that is medium high heat. When your pan is hot or you think it's hot, you just want to add 1 chickpea to see if it starts sizzling and bubbling and basically frying as soon as you add it. When it does, you just want to add the rest of your chickpeas, and you're going to want to pan fry it until it is golden brown. As you can see, I added my onion powder in when it was just frying. I don't know why. I'm pretty sure I forgot it when I was mixing the dry ingredients with the chickpeas, but it's okay. Add whatever seasonings whenever. So when that's all fried up and they're a bit golden and they have almost a crust around them, we are going to add 1 canned chipotle pepper. Like one, not the whole can, just one of those, because they're very spicy and it burns everything. And I had to pause and take a second to just kind of like take a second and take a breather, basically, because it burns your nose, it burns your eyes, it burns your mouth. Somehow it's bad. Anyways, when it is all cooked off and a bit toned down, we are going to add some soy sauce, about 2 tablespoons. It really depends on how salty you want your chickpeas to be. It's really up to you. It's all eyeballed for me, so I just do it based off my gut. But I will leave everything in the description if you want to follow basically how I make mine exactly. So your chickpeas should become almost like a little sticky because of the soy sauce. And that's great. It should thicken up. There shouldn't be like any liquid at the bottom. And when that happens, we're going to take it off of the fire and we're going to place it back onto our counter. Now that we're back here, we are going to make a avocado crema. To that, we just need 2 lemons, an avocado. You can use whole garlic or powdered garlic, and sour cream. Into our little blender, I used a magic bullet or whatever it's called. You're going to want to add about half a cup of sour cream, about 1 or 2 lemons. It's up to you, honestly, and 1 avocado. And then this is where you get to decide. You can add either garlic powder or whole garlics, cloves, like minced or whatever. Personally, for me, I've never been able to break down the garlic all the way because the blender, it does its job, but it doesn't go, like past the line, It just does what it needs to be done. It doesn't do anything extra. So this is fine. I just decided to use powdered. Some people have added cumin. I've never done that before. It probably tastes good. I'm not gonna lie, it probably tastes good. I still have not tried it before though. Anyways, as you can see, it's like super creamy. This is what you want. It's a nice sauce. It'll drizzle on. So now we are going to place it into our squeeze bottle. It's easy. You don't even have to use a squeeze bottle. You can put it in a bowl and put a spoon in it. Done. That's your squeeze bottle. It's not a squeeze bottle, it's a bowl with a spoon. But I basically put it there so it's easier for my family to put it on their tacos that have meat, because this is my meat replacement. Anyways, I'm going to take 2 soft tortillas. I guess that's what they are. Tortillas are soft. And I'm going to cook them or warm them up I burned mine in the process, so probably don't do that, I would assume. And I'm going to spoon some of the chickpeas in here. If you're like, whoa, are you gonna eat all of that in the bowl? No, I'm not. I have a brother who also really likes chickpea tacos because I introduced him to them, and they're good, and they're not like bland or flavorless. They taste really good. So yeah, decorate your tacos how you usually would, with like salsa, lettuce, tomato, cheese, sour cream, crema, just whatever you want to place on. I have spinach and some fresh tomatoes that I picked from my garden earlier that day. They're yellow, which is really cool. I'm not even gonna lie, that's super cool. And then some of the avocado crema. And it drizzles so nicely. Look at that. I probably added too much. I definitely added too much, I'm not gonna lie. But it tasted delicious either way, so no complaints here. And then I'm just going to put some shredded mozzarella cheese on there just to top it off a little bit. And there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Anyways, I will see you guys in the next video. Stay safe,